Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Motorola Edge 40 Pro to Wi-Fi network. And to do this, you can either scroll down notification bar and see Wi-Fi networks right here, or do it manually through the settings. So click on the settings button, then on the top we should find network and internet, then go for internet, enable Wi-Fi, and then locate the network you want to connect to. In this case, let's go for this one. Enter the password for the network. Click connect. And now you've successfully connected your phone to the internet. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.